Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress website responsive. A responsive design means your site looks great and functions perfectly on any device, from large desktop monitors to small smartphone screens. This is crucial for user experience and search engine optimization. We'll walk through a straightforward method to get your site adapting beautifully to all screen sizes, ensuring your content is always accessible and engaging for every visitor. The easiest way to ensure your WordPress site is responsive is by choosing a theme specifically designed for it. Many modern themes are inherently responsive, meaning they automatically adjust. When browsing themes, always check their live demos on different screen sizes, like a tablet or a phone, to see how they adapt. Opting for a well-coded, responsive theme from the start saves you a lot of effort later on. Even with a responsive theme, you might want to fine-tune certain elements. Page builder plugins, such as Elementor or Beaver Builder, offer intuitive controls to adjust layouts for various devices without coding. For more specific changes, a few lines of custom CSS can work wonders. Remember to always test your modifications on actual devices or by resizing your browser window to ensure everything looks exactly as intended. After making your adjustments, the final and most crucial step is rigorous testing. Check your website on a variety of devices, including different phone models and tablets, to catch any unexpected layout issues. Browser developer tools are also incredibly helpful for simulating various screen sizes and debugging. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home tech setup. A well-tested, responsive site provides the best experience for all your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.